Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Sterling Stingray coming in for setup work. Apart from that, the electronics also will be an upgrade. He's going to be changing out the pickups to a fisherman's fluence pickup. When you want to do this, make sure you have enough room to play around with, especially if it needs a battery compartment. Then you might want to actually consider routing out the wood of the guitar itself to actually make room. In this case, he doesn't use the trem so much, or he doesn't use the trem at all. So I remove the center spring at the back, and the battery actually just nice. It will lay flat, even when the back cover is being closed. So that was a very straightforward move. But even when I want to install the pickups itself, because of the cavity being so small, sometimes it can be a bit tricky to route all the wires in place. So that is one thing for you to take note of if let's say you want to change pickups, or you want to do any upgrading work for the electronics. Okay, so I see you at the end of the video. Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, so the guitar is done. Sterling Stingray fitted with fluence pickup. These are push pull. These are master volume and master tone. So master volume push pull is for voice number 2, then master tone pull for high frequency tilt. Batteries are at the back, but the bridge is being blocked off. One of the spring is taken out for the battery itself. Then three-way toggle. Okay, there's a few issues with the guitar that if later on you find that you have some issues you want to take note of, but other than that the guitar sounds fine. Okay, so this is a test, clearance test. Okay, just by that alone you can hear that some of the parts that is buzzing. So if I play a bit harder, you can hear the buzz. Okay, these are mainly because the frets are not level. Yeah, but if you want a slightly higher action than this, then of course you can consider bringing the strings up, but you lose a bit of playability. All right, so this is the what do you call it, pull for voice 2. This is voice 1. Bridge pickup, voice 2. Okay, so pull for high frequency tilt. Off. Neck pickup. Voice 2. High tilt. Off. Okay, so that one sounds pretty good. I like it. It's pretty loud. It's clear. This is the distortion. guitar is all done. Let me know when you want to pick up. It sounds great. Of course, the frets needs a bit more work. Other than that, if let's say when you play, then your tuning is a bit it goes out pretty often, then mainly because the tuners is out. This tuner is not so good. It does the job for now, but if you keep playing it for like maybe 6 months to 1 year, then it might give you some issues. Okay, so you can consider changing it out for go-to locking tuners. Let me know when you want to pick up. I see you soon. Bye. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you have any questions on guitar related issues, you want to upgrade, you want to repair, do let me know. You can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. I see you soon. Bye.